We all know that Snapchat on iPhone is way better than Snapchat on any Android phone, except the Pixel 2. That's because there are less iPhones to optimize, but plenty of Android phones they need their apps to optimize. So they just skip it. Well, not just that, on iPhone, Snapchat talks with the viewfinder of the camera to get the best piece of pictures they can get, including the Pixel 2. But on all the other Android phones, Snapchat just takes a screenshot of the viewfinder, which you can see causes loss of picture quality. Snapchat was the first to have stories, but now Instagram, Messenger, and even Facebook has stories. And the Instagram stories have much more features than the Snapchat stories. According to this chart, popularity growth was a lot on Instagram, then on Snapchat after its release, and Instagram went more popular than Snapchat in a few days. As of February 2018, which is the time this video is being recorded, Snapchat has 187 million daily active users and Instagram already has 800 million users as of September 2017. Okay, so Snapchat is not working. But guess what? Today I opened my laptop, went to Nox Player, which is an Android emulator, downloaded and opened Snapchat after a long time because I heard my friends saying that Snapchat had a major update and now the user interface of the app is way different. Before, swiping left goes to the messages, swiping right went to the stories, and swiping from up then right goes to discover. But now swiping right goes to discover, which I don't care because I don't know them, and on the left is the stories and messages. When I click on the text, it goes to the chat, and when I click on the pictures, it goes to the stories. But when I want to see a story of a busy friend whom I didn't talk for a while, I need to scroll down to find that friend and then click on the icon to watch his story. But in the last update, it was easier because people who didn't have stories were not in the middle of the messages, and people whom I didn't talk with were not in the middle of the stories. So the conclusion, Snapchat sucks and now it even more sucks. I guess they tried to get more popularity by adding the discover at the right, but that didn't really work out for us. Thanks, like, share and subscribe. Peace out.